If you forgot your passcode on your iPhone or your iPad, there is really one thing you could do. Let me show you exactly how to unlock your iPhone if you forgot your passcode. So this requires you to basically reset your phone and then recover your data from the latest backup. Now, if you have iCloud backup enabled, for example, this should be a pretty simple process. If you've never backed up your phone though, you should not do this because it will erase everything that's already on your phone, and you'll have to back it up. There is no other way around this. There is nothing else that you could do besides what I'm about to show you. But for forgotten passcode, the first thing we need to do is turn off our phone. So on the phone I have here, it's volume up and the side button here, and then it's gonna get you this page where you're just gonna shut it off. That's the very first step. And on older iPhone, it's the home button here and then the power off on top. Either way, make sure you turn off your phone first. And then when the phone is off, you need a charging cable. This is just my charging cable, this lightning cable. You also need a computer. So you could either borrow one, use your own, or go to the Apple store and they could help you with a computer there. But there is no other way. You can't do this just on your phone. You do need to connect this to a computer. So I've done that. Then let me show you what to do next. Okay, so now you have to hold down your power button on your phone. It's either here or on older iPhones, it's over here, and plug in the cable to the computer here at the same time. So I'm gonna hold this down and plug this in at the same time. And you gotta keep holding this down. So if you see the Apple logo, we need to keep holding it. We need to hold it to get to our recovery mode. I'll show you what that looks like in a second. There it is. This is the recovery mode here on your iPhone. Now let me show you what happens on the computer here. Now, if you're on a Mac, you'll see a page on your Finder window that looks like this. It'll just pull up your iPhone over here and it'll show you this. If you're on a PC, you'll have to open iTunes or download iTunes. I'll put a link to the Apple iTunes page for PC. But either way, you'll come to this page. It says update your phone without erasing its content. And that's not what we want in this case. We need to restore our phone to its factory setting to bypass the other option, which is our passcode. So I'm gonna press restore iPhone because I know I have a backup on iCloud. If you do not though, do not press this. This will erase your phone, but this is really the only option to bypass forgotten passcodes. It's a very secure option from Apple. There's no other way besides restoring your iPhone here to get to the next page. So I'm gonna press this, and then you'll have to press restore and update, and it will update it to the latest version of available iOS update here if you press this option. And once you do this, you will basically have a brand new iPhone. You'll go through the entire setup process again, and then watch my video if you need help basically restoring from the latest backup.